Guys, welcome back to Natkatuni. So I was getting pretty bored when in my home, so I thought to play with those toys. Nah, I'll not play with those old ones because I'm pretty bored with them too. So I asked my brother what I want a new toy. Just then the bell rang. I couldn't go, so I asked my brother to open up the gate. There was a large box there, and then I we kept it in quarantine for 4 hours. And then my brother opened up for me. I was pretty surprised to know that there was a Batman super sports car. Like I wanted this very much. Kind of I just loved it, and I didn't kind of want to miss the chance to show you guys. So this is what. So in a moment I'm going to unbox it, okay? Bye. So guys, let's go and open it up. Yes. Yep, right here. Go. Yep. Let's go up. And yes, here. Off. And this is cool, guys. I feel very happy with this one. And now I want to tell you something. Maybe we can get the action figure with most probably yes. And this is 14 plus, and it's bought it. Yes. And this is Batman Sport Car. I told you before. And the super part comes here, guys. Most probably there will be a Batman figure because there's a door opener on the car and it can shoot. Over here you can see that there are some kinds of guns right here which can shoot. So I think so it will be worth it buying this, and I will also have fun and making this and playing with this because it can move very nicely. It can move smoothly. I'm very impressed seeing this, and I'm gonna make it as fast as possible so that I can beat my brother with his Optimus Prime. So goodbye. I just had this all for today, and you guys can see how cool is it, right? So maybe I will make a video on making this too, because I love this kind of Lego making stuff. So this is all. Yes, our Batman is also here saying yes. So that's all for today, guys. Meet you in the next video. Okay, guys, let's open this up, and I'm really excited. So let's see from where it does come. Maybe from that side. Let's see. Yes, it comes from that side. It's pretty great. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Alright. Oh my god, there are packets of each stuff. Oh, there are so many pieces in here. And there are so many pieces. Maybe there will be a screw. Oh, there's no screw. And there's an instruction manual here. Yes. I'm starting to lost. Okay, so there's a action figure. I knew it. I knew it. And I'm pretty happy seeing this. Cause now I'm gonna be my brother. And big packets and many things. There, as you can see in the box. So that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna bring you back with another video of making this. So Till that time, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.